Alright, son. So we're on a camping trip. Let's hope you brought all the stuff that I told you to bring, like the food, the water, the sleeping bags. Although your backpack's pretty small. Where's the food? You brought Minecraft, a Nintendo 3DS XL, a Switch charger. There's not even outlets in nature. Son? What else did you bring? A random Ziploc bag. You also brought Smash Bros. And Animal Crossing. You also brought a Nintendo Switch. And whatever this thing is, you brought it. Didn't you get this from FYE, son? That's not even Nintendo. Keep that in your bag. This terrible thing. This 3DS XL charger. Son, did you bring any of the food? Son, where's the food? We're staying out here for 2 days. Son, you think we're gonna eat Legos? Son, what's this? Where's the food I told you to bring? Son! Oh, money. I'm gonna take my son's money real quick. Son, where did the food go? Thank you for the 25 cents. But where's the food? Which food be able to buy food with 25 cents? I even lost it, son. I mean, you brought food. Let's see this. It's gum, son. Where's the food? Oh yeah, we're camping in our closet because of COVID-19.